Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to block an IP address in Cloudflare and prevent that particular visitor from accessing your website. So first of all, come here on cloudflare.com and then sign in into your account. Now over here, you just have to select that particular domain or website where you want to block the IP address. For example, I've selected this particular website of mine. So over here in the left hand side, click on the option of security, then click on the option of security rules. Now over here, click on the option of create rule, and among the given options, you just have to select the option of IP access rule. You can also select the option of custom rule, and then you need to just simply enter the IP address that you want to block in the IP field. So under action, you just have to simply select the option of block. Now Cloudflare also supports the actions such as managed challenge and different types of challenges, but block completely prevents matching the visitors from accessing the website. So that's how you can basically do it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.